Here's another zone, same house. This is in the living room with, again, mini split system running. This is full bore, and what you hear is what you get. Again, took out a hotel style unit that was in this house that used to be here. There's going to have to do some drywall work done to get rid of what used to be a hotel style unit. There's another one in the distance that we can see through the doorway there. Another hotel, or not, was replaced a hotel style unit and put another mini split in there. So that's what we have going on inside.